The ocean has always been a symbol of life, a place where the world's most ancient ecosystems thrive quietly, beautifully, and delicately. But beneath this beauty, something catastrophic has been unfolding. In 2024, our planet entered the fourth global mass coral bleaching event in recorded history. Driven by extreme marine heat waves, reefs across the world have been pushed past their limits. From the Caribbean to the Pacific, from Australia to Hawaii, entire reef structures are bleaching, dying, and collapsing. Scientists estimate that more coral has been lost in the last few years than in all human history before that combined. This crisis is real. It's happening right now. And what you're about to see is a fly-through of some of the most hardest hit regions on Earth. We begin in the Florida Keys, a region that faced unprecedented temperatures in 2023 and 2024. Entire restoration sites saw bleaching levels never recorded before. In Australia, the Great Barrier Reef, crossing the planet, we reached the Great Barrier Reef, once considered one of the healthiest reef systems on the planet. It now faces its fifth major bleaching event in less than a decade. Western Australia. Even remote sanctuaries like the shoals were hit hard. Shallow lagoon systems experienced devastating bleaching and mortality. And then you have beautiful Cancun in Mexico and the Mesoamerican Reef. The second largest barrier reef in the world suffered mass bleaching across Cancun and nearby regions with heat stress levels far beyond historical records. Then in the Indian coast, in the Indian Ocean across, bleaching spread rapidly along the Indian coastline where corals already struggle with pollution and sedimentary stress. Then we go to the Maldives, famous for the clear waters and the vibrant reefs, saw widespread bleaching from surface to depth affecting plate, branching, and massive corals alike. Then we go to Papua and the Coral Triangle. We fly into the Coral Triangle, Earth's most biodiverse reef system. Even this region, long considered resilient, suffered extreme bleaching across Indonesia and Papua, and millions of corals are dying everywhere. Mauritius. Out in the Indian Ocean, Mauritius recorded heat stress conditions that push corals beyond survival thresholds. Then we have the beautiful islands of Fiji, with the shallow reef flats transformed into underwater graveyards as temperatures climb past coral thermal limits. Then we have the islands nearby Tonga, where bleaching struck hundreds of islands, impacting ecosystems that local communities depend on for food and culture. Last but not least, we have Hawaii, beautiful Hawaii, where bleaching impacted reefs from the Big Island in Oahu, continuing a horrible trend that has intensified over the last decade. This is the fourth global bleaching event, and unless we act, it won't be the last. ReefTekLab was built with one mission: to empower people to understand, protect, and even restore local reefs, from their homes to communities and their tanks. If you believe in saving what's left, if you believe in science, innovation, and action, please join us. Subscribe to ReefTekLab, follow our journey, and be part of the movement to protect the oceans for future generations. ReefTekLab.